Today's December 7th, 2024. I'm booted into a Focal Pup 32-bit Puppy Linux. And today I thought what we'll do is we're going to work to create a small script that only allows to Firefox to open up in workspace1. So even if you give a command from workspace 3, for example, it'll only open up one copy of browser in the Firefox 1. I find that helpful, so that way you don't duplicate another Firefox and any other workspace. So the first thing what we'll have to do is download the latest Firefox. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and use this link that I provided, and it'll get you to, and it brings us up to the download Linux 32-bit. Because of I'm in 32-bit Focal Pup, I'll have to just click on this, and it's gonna save the file in the download folder, and we'll do that. And it's pretty quick, so we'll go ahead and close this. It's done. And then here is the downloads folder, and this is the file that's been downloaded. We'll have to extract it. We'll right click and then use a pextract, and then we'll just go ahead and extract it here. So it'll just take a couple of seconds. And then after it's done, we have a Firefox folder in downloads folder right now. So we'll go back to our next. So what we want to do is move that folder, which is in Firefox, to a OPT folder. So we'll go ahead and give this command here, and then go back to 1, and then we'll go ahead and start a window and terminal here. So we have the we can either middle mouse click in this case, and but the idea is just to make sure that within this folder you want to open up a terminal and then give this command to move the Firefox to OPT folder. So that's done, and we can take a look at the OPT folder. OPT. So right now that's there is a Firefox, and to launch the program, what you need to do is just go ahead and click the Firefox here. So now we know that the Firefox is launching with that command. Create a small script in a we're gonna name it browser.sh, and we're gonna put it in root my applications bin folder, which is in path. And after we create the file, we're gonna give it an executable command +x chmod space +x space root my application being browser. So that gets executable, and then we're gonna open up in geany, and then we're gonna insert this lines here into the so we'll just go ahead and copy this, and then right click, copy, and we're going to open up a terminal, and then go ahead and paste, and then let's see what happens. Now we opened up in browser.sh in geany. So what we can do is just go ahead and cheat. We're going to insert this small script. So let me tell you a little bit about wmctrl. This is a window manager control. It has several options, and what this will allow us to do is -s always puts it on. So rather than 1, it first workspace is 1. So that's equal to 0. So if you want to always start in a workspace 2, you have to put in 1. So anyway, so that's a workspace, and this only allows to have only a single copy, even if you started another workspace. And this is the command to launch the program. So that what we'll do is just grab all this and then copy, and then browser, and then insert, and then save. Now if everything is done correctly, what we can do is right now we're in workspace 3, and then we'll just go ahead and launch browser.sh. Now using the same idea, what we may want to do is just right now I can open Geany in any of the 3 workspaces, but let's see if we can go ahead and allow restrict the Geany to only work single copy in workspace 2. So you can still follow the same command pretty much here, except that you want to let's say create a geany.sh, and then follow the same idea, and then here we want to go ahead and copy it into Geany. So here what we want to do though here is to go ahead and change this to rather than 0, which is workspace 1, we want to put in workspace 1 here, because then it will actually open up in workspace 2. So, and then another change you may want you have to make is, because it's gonna be Geany, simply geany rather than this whole Firefox, just as Geany, and then you're gonna have to figure out what this first xa command here is actually just turns out to be capital G, and then the rest of it is small letter geany. And you can get that with this command, what's called the xprop command. So let me just show you. So you can just go ahead and start a terminal, and then give this xprop command with the middle mouse click, and then watch what happens to the icon or mouse cursor here. So it's going to change, and then it's going to change to target, and you just put it on Geany, and then it's going to give you the name of geany, and that's what you need to put in right here to get Geany working. Only allow one to open in workspace 2.